Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Is it okay? God has been so good to us. Alright guys, and I must give you a thumbs up, right? For your comments and for the subscribers and for those who view. Bless up every time. Okay guys, thank you very much. Okay, today now I'm going to cook some brown stew chicken with pineapple. Okay guys, have you ever tried that before? Okay, this is my first time I'm going to try. Alright guys, so just take a look. Okay guys, so this is my chicken. I already cut my chicken and half seasoned it from last night. So I'm going to finish seasoning the chicken and tell you what I use on it. I didn't use much seasoning, but I just put a little just to marinate it last night. Okay guys, so I have my ginger here. I'm going to put a little ginger, and as I say, brown stew. This is my browning, and this is my all-purpose, and this is my all-purpose also season up Maggi. Okay guys, and my cayenne pepper. And I have my pimento here. Okay guys, and this is my pineapple. Alright, so watch as I go, as I season. As I say, I put a little on it already, so I'm going to season, wash clean and everything. So this is my ginger, and this is my all-purpose. Not much as I say. So this one here. And I'm going to put my pimento on it. So I'm breaking my pimentos. And then you can put your regular seasoning like your scallion and whatever on it during your process, but after, when it's half cooked, I'm going to cut those up. Okay guys, if you want to put it away, you can put it right away, you can. Okay guys, so just watch as I go. So I'm going to put a little brown in here. I'm not going to use any oil today, no oil. So you can do it like this. Also, let me get the cover for that plastic there. You can do it like this, guys. See guys, you want to put more browning in it, no problem. And there's another brand. It's stronger than this. It's stronger than this. I think it's, I don't remember, I have to check, but it's stronger than this. You have to use a lot of this one for it to brown up, give it the real browning, but that's okay. You see guys, that's my meat. So I'm going to get my stove ready. Yes guys, my pot is all ready. But I just grease the pot like this. I don't really put much oil. I just grease the bottom of it. Okay, guys, you can see. So I'm going to put water in it after. You can see. That's it, guys. Can see, guys. So I'm going to blend a piece of ginger with a piece of my hold on just a second. So I'm going to blend a piece of ginger. This is my ginger with the melon, with sorry, not melon, my pineapple. You can also use melon in it too also, no problem. You can blend it with your ginger also, but today I'm using pineapple with ginger. I'm going to blend it and throw it in it, okay guys? And then after I'm going to use pieces of these to decorate my brown stew chicken, okay guys? You can also use melon, it doesn't matter. See? No water. I'm not going to put any water. I'm just going to use the pineapple juice. You can see? Okay. Watch as I go, guys. Watch. So, guys, this is my ginger. I'm going to put it in already washed and soaked. And these are frozen, okay, because I store it in the freezer. So I'm going to blend it. Okay, guys. Just watch as I go, guys. Brown stew chicken with pineapple and ginger. And you can put melon in it also. Okay, guys. I'm going to strain it, guys. Oh, you can see from here. You can see, guys. You can see it now, guys. Spoon water, okay? So I'm going to go put my pineapple water with the ginger. Okay, guys? You can see? You don't have to put all of it at one point or one time, so you can make it catch a little bit more color and then you put it. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. And I'm going to cook, I'm not sure what I'm going to put with it, but I think I'm going to cook 2 fingers of banana with dumpling. I'm not sure, but not much food today. Okay guys, so watch as I go. So it's pineapple, brown stew chicken. Guys, you can see my pot here. You can see guys. Look at guys. Pineapple, ginger. It's getting its color now, okay? And I have the rest of pineapple here, juice, pineapple juice. You see? You can try it at home, guys. So it's getting its real color, okay? No water, just the, no other water, just the pineapple water. Okay, guys? You see? And it's going to take like maybe 15 minutes to cook. Okay guys, I'm going to get my season ready now. There's a knife. Look at it guys. I put a little bit more seasoning in it. Look at it. Kitchen all smell of pineapple guys. All smell of pineapple. This is my seasoning. I'm gonna cut it and put it in. This is my seasoning here. I already washed. You can crush your garlic. Okay, guys. Guys, this is my rosemary. This is some of my seasoning. I'm going to put the tomato in later. And I have my pineapple. The rest of the pineapple. Can you see? This is the rest of the pineapple, guys. Okay, guys. So watch as I go. See my brown stew chicken now? Okay, guys. This is my rosemary and cloves and thyme water, of which I boil. So I'm going to dip a little in it. I'm going to put in some season here. So later I'm going to put I'm going to put the pineapple in later. Okay, guys. Yes guys, my chicken is almost ready, so I changed my mind from what I was going to cook. So here's my pot over here, and I'm going to cook 3 fingers of banana, and I'm going to make some beetroot dumpling. So my daughter is going to blend it, so watch as you go. So she's getting some water to blend out the beetroot. Okay, guys? That's okay. So you can use half beetroot. Also, you can just use one because it is very strong. So she's going to do it now. Get it over now. Sit over. Have you ever eaten beetroot dumpling before? Okay, you can try it. So I'm going to get my flour ready. So she's going to do that. over here we have the flour. So I'm going to put some salt in it. Strain.
Yes, we have it strain.
See the salt? This is the salt. Okay. And my banana is here. Also my pineapple is waiting on me. Pot is waiting on my pineapple. And this is my pot. I'm going to use all of it, just a little.
Use it.
Wash your hands like you see.
Are you using that?
Just go ahead. Some more. Let me see. Just watch as you go, guys.
Okay guys, we are using the beetroot water to knead our dumpling. So watch as I knead the dumpling, guys. And also guys, before I begin, I already washed my hands, so I'm gonna start with the kneading the flour. And here I tip a little bit so it won't spoil. See guys, it's coming together and it's starting to take on the color of the beetroot juice.
Want more flour in it?
No, just you want it. Just a
Oh, so you want more of it? I'm going to put a little bit more flour in it, guys. Alright. Guys, you can see my pineapple pot. Okay, watch as you go, guys. Let me turn it up, let you see. You can see, guys. That's my pineapple. So it's pineapple. You can see, guys, pineapple juice with ginger. Okay,
see, guys, it's starting to get its color. Yeah.
Guys, this is my pineapple. See? I don't have enough, so you see, guys. I don't have enough pineapple, guys, but I use what I have. So there's my chicken. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stay there for the next 5 minutes. Okay, guys, you can see I'm gonna put some tomato in it. You cut your tomato according to the size, also your pineapple according to the size that you want it. Okay, so it's pineapple, ginger, brown stewed chicken. You can see, guys, all finished. So I'm going to put my banana and my beetroot dumpling. So watch as I go. Yes, guys, welcome back. Look at this, guys, beetroot dumpling.
Well and pressed pretty beetroot dumpling.
So my water is all ready. So I'm going to put banana in first, because the bananas are very hard. I'm not sure. And guys, you can cook your banana in the skin. Okay, guys. I don't know if the beetroot color banana dumpling will change, but guys, I'm just trying it out. See my water there ready?
What?
You can see, guys, 3 fingers of banana. You see it, guys? It's boiling up. See my pot boiling, see my dumpling. Look at it, guys, try it at home. Put this Irish here. Irish potato. So guys, I don't know if the color will change. Watch my pot. Anymore. Is it too really small? Yes. You see my pot there, guys? I'm gonna put a little salt in it. That's a little. See? There's too much water, so I'm gonna take out some, guys. You see? So watch as I go, guys. Guys, you see my pot is all ready? See, guys? Okay, guys. I want to show you my beetroot dumpling pot. Can you see? You see my beetroot dumpling? The color will not stay up as we want it to, but at least we tried. Okay, guys? So it doesn't matter the color as long as it's there. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I'm back here. So as you can see, my beetroot dumpling is all ready. Okay? Okay, viewers, you can see it's all ready. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers and all those that is watching. This is my finished product. Beetroot dumpling, my banana, and my Irish potato, and my pineapple brown stew chicken with ginger in it. And I'm going to taste and let you see. Okay? This is my banana. This is my pineapple. Subscribers and viewers and everyone that is watching, it tastes so good. And this is my beetroot. It doesn't get the same color. The color is almost off, but watch on me. Okay? Let me set the camera a bit better. My subscribers and viewers, it tastes so good. It sell off. It turn up till it turn over. Try it, my subscribers and viewers. Just try it and you will see. Okay? Love you guys. And this is my food. Love you guys, and you take care and try it at home. Viewers and my subscribers, try it at home. Tastes so good. God bless you. Love you. Take care of yourself. and big up yourself. Alright? Big up yourself and big up Colors. He's the first person I saw make the beetroot dumpling. Or you can try it at home. Or you can put a little coconut milk in it also. Colors, big up yourself every time. And all those that are watching, big up yourself every time. God bless you. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Alright? Be good to yourself and love yourself. Alright?